पालन के बारे में ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं है, बट ही इज़ अ अमेजिंग सिंगर और वो बहुत अच्छी मिमिक्री करते हैं. ही यूज्ड टू बी इन अ बैंड, नो? क्यों नहीं मतलब क्या अभी एक्टर तू बन गया है, अभी तेरे को करना पड़ेगा पब्लिक के सामने गाना.
मैं गाया करता था, अभी कहाँ
हो जाना
नहीं, वो इमिटेट हम सब मस्ती करते हैं तो नहीं. एक है अगर लिरिक्स भूल गया तो माफ कर देना. महफिलें आई और गई, लोग आए और गए, तुम जो आज आए हो. क्या था आगे?
ये गाना हमें भी नहीं आता है.
सॉरी मैन, दैट्स ऑल. कुमार सानू सर का आवाज सुनना है वो.
अरे हम आई एम सॉरी यू स्टार्टेड दिस क्वेश्चन समवेयर बट दिस वेंट. सो एक रात हम
question is not
लोग
my answer.
अरुणाचल में पार्टी करने गए थे, तो सब लोग गा रहे थे वहाँ पे क्योंकि अमर लव्स डूइंग कैरियोके. तो सब लोग स्टेज पे जाके गा रहे थे एंड मिडिल ऑफ द नाइट 12 बजे सडनली आई सी दीपक सर सिंगिंग एनरिके इग्लेसियस. हीरो I swear I am not
Deepak sir,
joking.
please go ahead. And we would also want to listen to this.
थोड़ा गा
यार
दो.
वो वहाँ पे क्या था कि पार्टी थी और थोड़ा अरुणाचल की जो
सर थोड़ा सा सर.
अरुणाचल
थोड़ा
के
सा।
चावलों से एक राइस वाइन टाइप की कुछ बनती है, तो वो उसका सेवन हो चुका था. तो क्या था वो एनरिके का पहली लाइन क्या है? I can be your hero.
Would you dance?
Would you dance? If I ask you to dance, would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? I can be your hero, baby. Oh yeah. अब वो कौन बोलेगा? वो कोरस भी तो ऐसी बकवासें चल रही थी तो मतलब हाँ.
I have nothing to say. Did you get your answer? I want to know that. But you got more material.
Hi Varun, Justin here towards your left.
There, I can see you. How are you?
Justin here from Indian Express. Varun, of course, congratulations for completing a decade in the industry. How do you look back at these 10 years for you? And can you sort of place us the night before Student of the Year was about to release? What was the mood like, and what did you expect things to turn out?
I probably didn't sleep that night, definitely, and woke up at like 7:30 because my father woke up before anyone else. He said, "Oh, आज पहला दिन है वो," and then and before going for any big launch or anything, like जो मंदिर है घर में, my mom always makes me do a little prayer over there. I do that, and then मतलब घर में थोड़ा कुछ मीठा दे के फिर भेजते हैं. And my mom used to like tell me so many things. What are you wearing? This is not looking good. Always mummy जो करती है. So just taking the blessings and leaving of, I think, your loved ones at home. But a lot of butterflies, lot of butterflies. But me coming up on stage and behaving very, very confident, faking it. And yeah, I don't know if too much has changed since then. I thought I won't feel nervous, but I was nervous. The minute I got here, I was just before coming up, I was telling Kriti, I'm nervous, yeah. I'm feeling damn excited. I don't know what's happened. Where's this come from?
That's because you can't be calm.
Yeah, I don't know. I want to be calm, but I'm working on being calm. I'm working on being calm.
But you're a senior actor now. I really respect you. I really
Purana
respect
chawal.
you. And Purana
Now he's a
chawal
Purana
hai ye.
chawal.
You better start behaving like a senior now, okay?
मैं नेक्स्ट फिल्म में अभी दाढ़ी निकालने वाला हूँ, फिर देखते हैं.
Hi.
Sorry.
We just take one last question.
Varun,
Hi.
hi.
Varun, hi. This is Ravi from ABP News.
Come, we'll take both of yours. Y'all both say. आप बोलिए फिर you also. आप भी बोलिए. Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone. Shadma this side from Home Bollywood. मेरा सवाल कृति से है. Hi.
Sorry.
Yeah. So last year it was Mimi, and you got a whole lot of appreciation for it. Do you think this year it would be Bhedia for you?
I don't think I can compare the two at all. They're
Right.
very, very different roles, very different films.
in general. तो वो pressure मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ, आप please मुझे मत दो. But I would definitely say this is one of my most special films. It is one of the best scripts that I have read. It is a script that दूसरी बार भी जब मैं script पढ़ रही थी तो मैं पढ़ते पढ़ते हंस रही थी. And I've had a blast shooting this film in Arunachal Pradesh. This look definitely is my most different look, I would say. And yeah, it's been a special journey. I hope this film does extremely well and all of you give all the love to this film. And that's all.
And to Kriti, yeah, come on, she won the Filmfare for Mimi. Come on, guys. It's a big deal. जिन लोगों को नहीं मिला है उनको कैसे लगता है? आप अभिषेक से पूछो.
दिनेश सर आपसे भी
Hi, Varun.
यो दिनेश सर
सर आ रहा हूँ, मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास. जी मैम.
आप भी आओ.
you know once again you are collaborating with Sachin and Jigar once again, so no doubt they have given some wonderful music to your films. Well, do you find somewhere or the other risk working with them again and again?
एक सेकंड, आपने बोला
आपका once again ऐसे लग रहा है कि भेड़िया आ गया है.
No, she said once again you're working with Sachin Jigar. Sachin and Jigar are looking tortured today.
Sachin and Jigar, just come up, please come up.
Because
Come up right now. हाँ.
Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen. बजाओ यार ताली.
पहले
So I have to tell you that Sachin Jigar and me have done so many albums that we've forgotten how many times. But every album they approach like it's their first.
इसमें कोई रिस्क नहीं, सिर्फ इश्क है.
इसमें सिर्फ कोई रिस्क नहीं, बस इश्क है, इसलिए उनके साथ काम करते. खत्म.
मतलब ये रिस्क अगर आपने उनको एनलाइटन कर दिया तो शायद अगली फिल्म नहीं करेंगे हमारे. बट या वी रियली फील इवन विथ वरुण भाई, आई थिंक दिस इज आवर थर्ड और फोर्थ फिल्म. बट दिनू सर के साथ वी रियली फिफ्थ फिल्म विथ वरुण भाई ऑफ कोर्स. एंड
Is there a risk, Varun?
is there a risk? Ask us about the risk when there is Varun Bhai. But with Dino sir, I can tell you he is one guy we can go up and say कि ये गाना करते हैं sir, and he would come up with a better option and tell ये नहीं ये करते हैं. और जैसे कल रात को ये ट्रेलर का म्यूजिक मिक्स हो रहा था, पर एक चांस था कि उसका पूरा म्यूजिक रातों रात बदल भी सकता है. So I think that's the equation we share and we are very.
So I think risk उनका है.
No, but honestly, I'll just only add this much that, you know, fortunately or unfortunately, music, you know, is amongst the first thing that comes out of the curtain to communicate what the film is. And to be, you know, in that position to be able to tell the director and the producer कि शायद ऐसा experiment music में करना है. मतलब जैसे स्त्री की अगर बात करूँ तो would have been easily perceived as a horror film. This could have been perceived as a creature film. But आप इसको already देख रहे हो, समझ रहे हो, like this is a creature comedy. तो ये जो चीज़ें हम अंदर करते हैं, बहुत अंदर बहुत झगड़े वगड़े होते हैं, बहुत मज़ा आता है, प्रोसेस है. But I can tell you this, it is completely risk-free. Our combination and our collaboration.
Hi, Varun. This is Ravi from ABP News.
the tallest man over here.